Guys, Sweden is quietly opening doors. And people are already earning up to $3,900 per month doing jobs that don't require a university degree. And in this video, I'll break down why Sweden is hiring like crazy, the exact jobs you can apply for, the salary you can expect, and the exact steps to move there yourself. Stay with me, because this might change your life. Sweden need workers badly. More people are retiring. Fewer young people are entering the workforce. And that creates a massive gap. We're talking about shortages in healthcare, construction, transport, tech, hospitality. Companies are struggling to fill positions locally. So what do? They look outside. That's where you come in. You're not just moving randomly. You're going where demand already exists. And Sweden is one of the most stable countries in Europe. Safe. Organized. High quality of life. Here are 5 high-demand sectors in Sweden right now, and what you can earn. 1. Healthcare support jobs. Roles: care assistants, nursing aides. Salary: $2,500 to $3,500 per month. 2. Construction and skilled trades. Roles: electricians, plumbers, construction workers. Salary: $3,000 to $4,200 per month. 3. Warehouse and logistics. Roles: warehouse pickers, forklift operators, delivery drivers. Salary: $2,400 to $3,200 per month. This is one of the easiest entry points. 4. Hospitality and cleaning jobs. Roles: hotel staff, cleaners, kitchen assistants. Salary: $2,200 to $3,000 per month. No degree. Basic English is enough. 5. Tech and IT, entry-level included. Roles: IT support, junior developers, data assistants. Salary: $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Even beginners can break in with online skills. Guys, this is not small money. Let's break it down step by step. Follow this exactly. Step 1. Prepare a European-style CV. Keep it simple. 1 to 2 pages. Highlight: skills, experience, practical abilities. No long stories. Step 2. Apply for jobs online. Use these platforms. Arbetsförmedlingen, Sweden's official job portal. Yours, European Job Mobility Portal. LinkedIn. Apply to at least 10 to 20 jobs daily. No excuses. Step 3. Get a job offer. Once a company selects you, they issue a contract. That's your golden ticket. Step 4. Apply for work permit. Apply through Sweden's migration portal. Submit job contract, passport, application form. Processing takes a few months. Step 5. Move to Sweden. Once approved, you pack your bags and start working. Guys, you do not need an agent. Save your money. Do it yourself. So guys, this is your chance. Real jobs. But here's the thing. Don't wait until it becomes crowded. Drop a comment right now. Your country plus the job sector you're targeting. Let me see where you guys are watching from. And if you found this helpful, like the video. Subscribe for more strategic immigration updates. Because I'll keep bringing you real opportunities.